January 21st, 2021 focus question. So again, Jeremy's baseball team kept track of the runs scored in the first 5 games of their tournament. Find that range of the given data. So remember, the mode was the most, the number that we saw the most of. Now we're going to find the range. The range is going to be the biggest number minus the smallest number. All right, so the biggest number minus the smallest number. First, let's put these in order. So I have a 3, I have a 9, another 9, 11, and a 13. All right, so we're going to take that biggest number, which is 13, and we're going to subtract 3 because that's the smallest number. So we're going to do 13 minus 3. That equals 10, so our range is going to be 10. And that is it for our focus question. Woohoo! Great job.